maybe it's not quite, but it'll be pretty close to 30 years that we've been using the pharmacy at Kelsey.
I have been coming to Kelsey-Seybold for about 25 years.
I've been coming to the pharmacy probably 5 or 6 years.
If you want it right the first time, go to Kelsey.
I enjoy coming to the pharmacy. They are very knowledgeable. They are people that you can trust.
Prescription medication is very serious, and you need a high level of accuracy. There's really no margin for error. I mean, it can be life-threatening, if you get the wrong medication. So I really think the trust factor is as important for the patient as it is with the doctor in its own way. But it's all based on trust, reliability, and accuracy.
They are very good at explaining to you as to how to use the prescription, as well as put a little printed copy in your medication to let you know how to use it. And they have always called me back several times to ask me if I'm having any type of side effect, or if I'm taking it correctly, or if I have any questions about the prescription that I'm using.
The thing is that they know who we are, and we've become friends, and they can work from that point of trust, because I'm not just a new customer walked in. They know who we are, and they know the medications that we need.
That's one reason I keep coming back, because I love the way they treat me. And when I walk up to the desk, "Hello, Beatrice," I say, "Oh my, they know my name." And that's a good feeling also.
Yes, one lady in particular, I think her name is Haas, Ms. Haas, Haas, I believe. But she generally waits on me, and she knows me by face. And when I approach her, she'll say, "Mr. Thomas, how many prescriptions do you have?"
It's not one doctor at a time, or one nurse at a time, or one pharmacist at a time, but rather it is coordinated together as a team approach. We have all the services that our patients need under one roof, be it radiology or cardiology testing, including pharmacy, so that patients, before they leave the Kelsey-Seybold Clinic, they can have their prescriptions filled by a pharmacist who is knowledgeable about the doctor who prescribed the medications, as well as the conditions that the patient has, and is able to see that they get the right medicine, and that if there is any problem with the prescription, can resolve it right away before the patient even leaves the building. We have worked it out such that the Kelsey Pharmacies can provide a level of service that really can't be matched by any of the local pharmacies that are outside of Kelsey-Seybold. For instance, we have the ability to order refills online so that they can be mailed to your home free of charge, and that makes it more convenient than any other arrangement that we're aware of to receive refill prescriptions. So that there's no reason why a patient would want to go to a pharmacy outside of Kelsey-Seybold when they can get it in the same location, the same clinic. They can have refills delivered free of charge with online management of that refill request. We also know that the cost of Kelsey Pharmacies to the patient is identical or very much the same as what it is for other competing pharmacies in the area.
I believe my doctor, Dr. Cundy, who's been my primary care physician for probably 15 years or so, and he works here. And he told me about the pharmacy, because I really don't recall that I was aware there was a pharmacy here in the compound until Dr. Cundy told me. And he seemed pleased with it and said, "Why don't you give it a try? You know, it's real convenient." And I said, "Sure, I didn't know you had one." And so that's how it started.
Today I spoke with several of my friends, and I said, "Where do you go? What doctors do you go to? What clinic do you go to?" And many of them said, "We go to Kelsey-Seybold." And I said, "Well, what pharmacy do you go to?" They named the pharmacy. I said, "Well, why are you wasting your time going over there when you can come right here? You trust the doctors, why not trust the pharmacy here?
You know, we have a phrase at Kelsey-Seybold that Kelsey-Seybold physicians are your doctors for life. Well, it's also true that for Kelsey Pharmacy, that the Kelsey-Seybold pharmacists are your pharmacists for life.
For over 30 years, I've been to a Kelsey doctor and Kelsey Pharmacy. Might as well stay with them. They've done us nothing but right, and I kind of like that.